Another great thing about having a podcast is this ability to build connections and network with people. So if you have a podcast like mine where you have guests on, I build my know, like, and trust factor with you guys because I bring guests on, because I say, look, I'm not the expert in this area. Let me bring on an expert to talk about it. And we have those conversations. I am then networking with my guests and having a connection with them and growing my audience through their network. And it's just this, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing how it happens. And there's also that ability for me to kind of give you a behind the scenes look at my business and what's going on in the industry. It's strange, but in a podcast, I will drop in personal anecdotes and stories that I would never have put into a blog, because a blog to me